Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. Guys, here from Jacksonville, Florida. I hope you guys are doing well. And I'm coming to you here today, cutting this video because I want to tell you about this book that I'm reading. Well, actually, this book that I'm actually rereading, my second time reading it. But I thought that it would be good for you as an entrepreneur. Just a reminder for those that may be watching this video and may have come to my channel for the first time. This channel basically is all about entrepreneurship. So whether you are an affiliate marketer like myself, whether you're in network marketing, whether you're in direct sales, whether you're in, of course, the same thing, MLM, network marketing, this page is designed to help you with tools, resources, tips, even systems to help you grow your business, to help provide inspiration for you. That's why I do reviews of different books that I'm reading or I have read to help you grow your mindset. Because here's the thing, that if you can have the best business in the world, but if you don't grow your mindset, then you're probably not going to have that much success in that business. So no matter what business you go into, you always want to work on your mindset. So that's what this channel is about. All about entrepreneurship, all about helping you grow yourself, helping you grow your mindset, so that you can be successful in any business that you want to. So today's topic I'm talking about is the book First Steps to Wealth by Danny Johnson. It says here, a revolution to increase your income, improve your relationships, and expand your influence. For those of you that may not know, Danny Johnson is a sought after international speaker. She's an author. She has a great story on how she came from nothing, how she came from abuse, to how she became a multi-millionaire. And to this day, she trains, she teaches, she coaches people around the world through her regular life seminars, business seminars, just things to help you to become a better person. But she came up with this book called First Steps to Wealth, which I highly recommend that you get this book. Check it out. It's really an easy read. But I definitely suggest that if you did want to go to the next level, this is one of my suggestions I'm going to be recommending for you. First Steps to Wealth. And before I do end this video, I want to read an excerpt. And hopefully this can inspire you, encourage you to go out and get this book. And it says Burning Desire. And I'm not going to tell you which page is on, because I want you to get the book and read through it. And then when you read it, you say, oh yeah, that's what Billy, the New Generation Marketer, was talking about. And it says this. She says, I know you believe there's more to life than what you have been living so far. Something is burning inside you that makes you want to reach for more. Not only for yourself, but also for your children and for future generations. Imagine how incredibly fun and freeing it will be when you owe nothing to anyone. It's empowering not to have bill collectors calling you, and to know that you have low expenses. When you have financial worries and burdens, you have a tendency not to dream or set goals. You tend to feel hopeless, as if life is never going to get any better. That robs your life of harmony and harms your professional and personal relationships. Quick excerpt for you guys. Like I said, definitely go out, get this book. I'll leave a link at the bottom, probably to our website, or that you can find this book and you can download this book. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, that you can actually get this book for free. I believe it's a free download. You just pay for shipping and handling, but definitely get this book, devour this book, and let this be one of the books that pushes you towards success in your business, whatever kind of business that you're building. Guys, that's it. A quick recommendation for you. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, be sure to like my channel, like this video, share the video, and leave some comments in the bottom and let me know what you think, if you actually picked up the book and if you actually read the book. Guys, that's it. This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. I will see you guys in the next video. God bless and enjoy the rest of your day. Peace.